Welcome to another episode of Really Real or Fake. Do you own an OLED big screen TV? These can go from $3,000 up to $10,000. Can you believe that? The last thing you want is for it to stop working. Well, it can happen if there's a blackout, and if you don't take these steps to protect your television, forget about it. All you need is a surge protector just like this. This was only $25. $25 to protect a $3,000 television. What the surge protector does, it blocks out the blackout from harming your television. It's really that easy. So go ahead and buy yourself right now a surge protector, because losing your TV is really gonna be a pain in the... Reporting live, this is Jake from Really Real or Fake.